Hello. Good morning, good noon, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on your time right now while you are watching this video. In order for our message to be fully understood by the majority of our viewers, especially to our viewers in other parts of the world, we strive to make this video as viewers-friendly as possible. So please continue watching as we share to you our very unique way of cooking a very delicious pork blood stew. These are our ingredients: pork intestine, fresh pig's blood, pickles, red onion, garlic, bell pepper, spring onion, black pepper, laurel leaf, butter, vinegar, Sprite, and salt. Procedure: clean the intestine very well by cutting in the center halfway from end to end. After that, wash it thoroughly with salt repeatedly for 4 to 5 times. After that, boil it with top water until cooked. Once cooked, allow it to cool, then start slicing it in a very thin cut. For more videos and other contents, we invite you to please visit our main channel at youtube.com/Cebucheapsite. Heat the butter with added salt and stir to dissolve. And wait until the color change to golden brown. Then put the thinly cut intestine. Stir continuously. If you like gardening contents, we invite you to please visit our urban gardening channel at Cebucheapsite Gartenstil. Until it turned to golden brown. Thank you for dropping by to our channel. If this is your first time to be here, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we can upload new video. Then add the red onion and stir well. Add salt and vinegar to the pig's blood and mix thoroughly. Then add it to cook. then stir well. Add the black pepper. Add the laurel leaf and stir continuously. Add the bell pepper. Add the pickles. And stir well. Add the spring onion. Add Sprite while stirring continuously. Try it and add salt if needed according to your desired taste. Done. Ready to serve. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video by giving us a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we can upload new video.